Hello, this is taking this video to show the noise that's coming from my 2016 Ford Edge. I believe it to be something to do with the air conditioner. Right now the engine's not running, but I will go start it first with the um, AC off, and then I will turn the AC on and you'll hear the difference. Can you tell me your thoughts? So what I did is I started it, AC off, turned the AC on, where you can really hear the noise. Turn the AC back off. It goes away for the most part. When I turn it back on, it goes away. And then when I rev the engine, it seems to go away until it idles back down. If you have any thoughts, and I will try to update this once I've got it figured out. Thank you.